Hello, Daigle team. Welcome to this most Daigle Safety Talk. Today we'll be covering bathroom cleaning safety. So, in order to effectively and safely clean a bathroom, you'll need to use personal protective equipment, otherwise known as PPE. Some types of PPE that we utilize when it comes to cleaning bathrooms are gloves, masks, and eye protection. Each of these have a specific function when it comes to protecting you while you are cleaning bathrooms. Gloves make sure that your hands are not contaminated, which allows you to not spread bacteria to yourself or to others. Masks do the same while protecting your face. Eye protection protect your eyes from those same bacteria as well. In order to make sure that you are properly protected, you must know how to utilize all of these types of equipment. And I know that you guys utilize these in your regular day functioning, but it's important to keep in mind when removing your gloves that you use the fold and tuck method so that your hands are not contaminated. For masks, make sure that you remove the mask from the string that usually grasps your head or ears. And for eye protection, remove the glasses by the frames. Another important thing, along with PPE, is of course chemical safety, which is something that we've gone over in earlier talks. The first big thing with chemical safety is understanding the cleaning chemicals that you have. There are various cleaning chemicals that we utilize throughout a regular workday. So please make, make sure you understand what is the purpose of each of the chemicals that you utilize. You can do this also by reading and interpreting your material safety data sheets. These will help you to know what the chemical is utilized for, how much to use, and when to use it. It also can tell you the potential downturns of misusing this material. Another important thing when it comes to chemical safety is safely handling and storing the materials. The materials that you utilize each day fall under your responsibility. And having that knowledge that you would gain from the material safety data sheets, you would also know how to store your chemicals, putting them in the correct areas around chemicals of the same strength. And in case you encounter an accidental exposure to a chemical, whether by hand, eye, or in other fashions, please make sure to clean the chemicals off as soon as possible. And then, if there are any underlying issues or issues that persist, please see a medical professional. You can also follow our accident SOP in order to ensure that your manager or supervisor has knowledge of this event. Slips, trips, and falls. This is also something that we have gone over in earlier talks. Please keep in mind slipping hazards in the bathroom. Of course, as you're cleaning the floors may be wet and there may be clutter from chemicals and other items that you're using to complete the job. So just keep that in mind when you're walking and moving around the bathroom. And last but not least, you should keep in mind the ergonomics of bathroom cleaning. You may need to go down to your knees in order to clean certain parts of the bathroom, and you may need to lift things as well. Please do so in a safe manner. In order to lift properly, we do not use our backs. We use our knees and legs in order to lift. This will allow for you to have less strain on your back and will help to keep you safe while cleaning the bathrooms. Also, you're cleaning a bathroom for a prolonged period of time, it's important to take breaks and stretch your muscles so that you can be safe as well. And lastly, emergency procedures. As we spoke about a couple of slides ago, you may encounter chemical spills or exposure to the chemicals. In the case that this happens, please keep in mind of our SOPs concerning accident and incident reporting. Also, remove yourself from the space if that is an issue. Please keep in mind all of these things while you are cleaning the bathroom or any space that you are cleaning during your regular workday. We thank you for listening to this month's Daigle Safety Talk, and we thank you for the hard work that you continue to put in every single day. We hope that you enjoy the rest of your summer and appreciate you being a part of the Daigle team. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go.